Program name is Armstrong number. To find the number is Armstrong number or not depends on number of digits, whatever number. Input is read a number. Output is if Armstrong number, print yes, otherwise print no. 153. Armstrong number. Armstrong number means sum of power of number of digits equals to number of digits of each digit equal to given number. For example, 153. That number contains 3 digits. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. Like 1634. That number contains 4 digits. 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4. This is the equation. Depends on number of digits. 153 means 1 cube 1 into 1 into 1 plus 5 into 5 into 5 plus 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 153. That means 1 cube means 125 plus 27 equals to 153. This is Armstrong number. Like 370, 371, 1634. This number contains how many digits? 4 digits. That means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 plus 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 plus 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 equals to 1634. That is 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 6 into 6, 36, 36 into 6. 216, 216 into 6, 1296 plus 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3, 81. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64, 64 into 4, 56. If you add this one, 1634 equals to 1634. That's why we must know about number of digits in the given number. After that, we can calculate power of value. Okay. Okay. If you want to write program in using Python, you can take one value and equals to int of input of. How to retrieve the digits while n greater than 0? D equals to n modulus 10. N equals to n by 10. Then I want to calculate sum. Sum equals to 0. Sum equals to sum plus power of, that means D double star number of digits. How to know the number of digits means you can use mathematical function. Import C equals to math dot log 10 of n. Then you can convert it into integer. Plus 1. This is to count the number of digits in a given number. And one more thing, n greater than 0 means we can override the n value. That's why you can store that n value into one temporary variable. D power of C. Okay. Then I want to compare if SW equals to TR naught. If it is true, print yes. Else, print no. Run and save. Okay, everything is accepted. First, you can count the number of digits in a given number. After that, you can calculate the power of value. Before going to power of value, you can count the number of digits using log 10 method. By default, this returns float value. That's why I want to convert integer like that. Otherwise, you can use a manual approach also.